Yeah, good morning, children. Today, as a part of representing values of data, today we are going to discuss about median. We are going to discuss about median. Okay. Actually, first we have completed arithmetic mean, and second we have completed mode, and third representative value of data is median. Okay, what is median? Median is middlemost value of the data. Middlemost value of the data. Median is middlemost value of the data. Okay, children? Now, how can you find median of the given data? Okay, let me explain one example. For example, find the median of, before that you must know two properties of median, that is, while finding median, first you must arrange the given data into either ascending order or descending order. Clear, children? First thing you must data must be arranged in either ascending order or descending order. Okay, children? Data must be arranged either in ascending order or descending order. Okay. Now, one example. Find median of 6, 3, 8, 4, 7. Okay, find the median of 6, 3, 8, 4, 7. Clear, children? Now, solution. What is given data? What is given data? 6, 3, 8, 4, 7. Now arrange this data into ascending order. Ascending order means smallest to highest. So 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Now what is the middlemost value of these observations? Here we have 5 observations. So see, these two and these two, and this is the middlemost value. This is the middlemost value. Clear, children? Therefore, median is 6. Median is 6. Okay? Clear? For example, another example. Find the median of 3, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. Look here. solution. Given data, 3, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, and now this is ascending order. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now these two. But here two values are given here. Middlemost are two values. Therefore, median is equal to 5 plus 6 by 2. That implies 11 by 2. That implies 5.5. Is it clear? Clear? Or else otherwise I will write here. So, therefore median is equal to 5 plus 6 by 2. That implies 11 by 2. That implies 5.5. Therefore, median of the data is equal to 5.5. Clear, children? Write it. See children, here actually 6, 3, 8, 4, 7 are how many number of observations? 5. Whenever 5 observations, 5 is an odd number. Therefore, that median is, after arranging ascending order, its median is n plus 1 by 2th observation. N plus 1 by 2. N plus means, n means number of observations. 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 by 2, 3. So, third observation, 1, 2, 3. Third observation is median. Okay. But whenever number of observations are given even numbers, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is an even number. 6 is an even number. Then how will you find that median of this data? When observations are even number of observations, then median is n by 2th, an average of n by 2 plus n by 2 plus 1th observation. N by 2 and n by 2 plus 1 observation. Is it clear? Clear? Now I will write those 2 points on the board. Everybody can write it. I think most of you have written this now. Clear? Now see, I am giving those 2 important note points. Okay children, now look here. For example, median. When number of observations, are odd, means number of observations means n are odd, then median is equal to n plus 1 by 2th observation. Clear, children? When number of observations n are odd, median is n plus 1 by 2th observation. Children, you don't forget to do that. Completely the data must be arranged either in ascending order or descending order. Let me explain one example. Find median of 25, 14, 18, 19 and 30. Now, what is given data? 25, 14, 18, 19, 30. Now arrange ascending order. 14, 18, 19, 25, 30. Here, number of observations, how many number of observations? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 observations now. Whenever 5 observation, here n is equal to 5 is an odd, you write box here. Here n is equal to 5 is an odd, therefore median is equal to n plus 1 by 2th observation. That implies 5 plus 1 by 2th observation. That implies 6 by 2. That implies third observation. That implies 1, 2, 3, third observation. Therefore, median is equal to 19. Clear, children? But one thing you must know it. What it is? This calculation should be done in your mind. In your mind only. Why? Because you need not. This is not an official formula. It is to identify the observation place. Which observation comes under median? Okay. To know that, you can calculate in rough space. Clear, children? Okay. So, median of this data is, whenever number of observations are 5 is an odd number. So, whenever odd number, n plus 1 by 2th observation, 5 plus 1, 6 by 2 means third observation is median. Before that, you must arrange this data into what? Ascending order. So, after arranging data in ascending order, third observation is 19, therefore median is 19. Clear, children? Now, let me give one more example. Note 2. If number of observations are uneven, then median is equal to an average of n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1 observations. Okay, children? Clear? Now, let me give one more example for this median only. Find median of 6, 4, 3, 2, 5 and 7. See, look here. How many observations are given here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 observations I have given. 6 is an even number. 6 is an even number. That is why, now how will you find the median? An average of n by 2th observation and n by 2 plus 1th observation. Here n by 2 observation means 6 by 2 third observation, and n by 2 plus 1 means 3 plus 1 fourth observation. So third and fourth observation average comes under the median here. Now solution. What is the given data? Given data 6, 4, 3, 2, 5, 7. Now arrange in ascending order. Ascending order means 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now median is equal to, here I said na, an average of n by 2th plus n by 2 plus 1. Observations. Now n by 2th. N by 2th means here n is equal to, what is that? Here n is equal to 6, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 observations na, so n is equal to 6. So n is equal to 6. Whenever n is an even number, n by 2. N by 2 means 6 by 2. 6 by 2 means third. So third observation. What is third observation? 1, 2, 3. Yes, third observation is 3. So 3 plus n by 2 plus 1. 3 plus 1, fourth. Fourth observation. What is fourth? Oh, sorry, here. 1, 2, 3. This is third observation. And what is fourth observation? 5 by 2. That implies 9 by 2. That implies 4.5 is the median. 4.5 is the median. Okay, children? So this is the most two important task while finding median. So whenever number of observations are odd number, then you need not worry. N plus 1 by 2th observation is called median. Like this, one example. Whenever number of observations are even, then median is n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1th observations average. Like this, this is another. So all of you, I request all of you write these two examples. Later on, I will give you some assignments through worksheet. You can solve those. Is it clear, children? Thank you and have a nice day. Children, write this. I'll give you 2 minutes time. You have to write it. And exercise 3.2. 3.2. You just try yourself and make this. And one more practical question is, find the median age of your family members. Find the median age of your family members. Means, suppose if you have 5 members in your family, you can write ages of all the 5 members and arrange all the 5 members' ages in ascending order and find median. Okay? Clear, children? Okay. Thank you.